Hello Year 9 and welcome to your options assembly for GCSE Performing Arts and Drama. We will start off today with discussing what GCSE Performing Arts is all about. GCSE Performing Arts has 3 units of study which I will go through with you today. You will be expected to perform in front of a variety of audiences throughout the 2-year course. And you will be required to take on both a performance and a production role. Unit 1, Unlocking Creativity. This unit requires you to work in a small group to form a theatre company to plan a performance idea to present to an audience. This performance idea must include all aspects of theatre, from set design, costume, marketing, budget, as well as obviously the plot, the characters and the themes that you will explore. Therefore, you must take on a performance role and a production role. This could be that you are an actor in the performance, but you are also in charge of the makeup for your theatre company. Or you might decide to be a dancer, but then be the costume designer for your theatre company. Or you might be the singer and be in charge of marketing for your theatre company. You will be required to present all of your ideas with your company members to a live audience, as well as perform extracts of that idea. You also must produce a portfolio of evidence to explain how your ideas have developed throughout the creative process and how you have worked together as a company to create a performance idea from the idea stage to the performance on stage. This unit is 30% of your total grade and it is marked by your teachers and moderated by AQA. Unit 2, the production or performance. This unit really is your chance to show off your skills in either a performance or a production role. You are assessed on one role. If you choose to be a performer, then you can be assessed as an actor, a dancer, a physical theatre performer, or a musical theatre performer. Or if you decide you wish to focus on the production side of theatre, you can be assessed as a costume designer or makeup artist or set designer. This really is the unit where you can shine. It is 30% of your grade and it's marked by your teachers and moderated by AQA. Unit 3, the Performing Arts Experience. This unit is a written exam which requires you to study how the performing arts industry operates. You will study topics like the roles and responsibilities of a director or an actor or a stage manager, how theatre companies get funding for a production, and script writing. You will also learn how to evaluate yourself in performances and understand how to evaluate professional productions. This unit requires you to see a piece of live theatre. It is out of 18 marks and 40% of your total grade. This unit is marked by AQA. The beauty of this written exam is a lot of the content we study in a practical sense in units 1 and 2. So, what are the benefits of a Performing Arts GCSE? Well, the benefits now is that you will be studying a fast-paced, creative, imaginative and full of energy course. Performing Arts also develops a wide range of personal and organisational skills for the workplace or post-16 into college or sixth form. But for the future, you could go on to take an A-level in drama and theatre studies, because performing arts provides a solid foundation for progression into the arts, as well as a foundation for design work in things like set design, costumes, props, or technical elements. The study of performing arts can help you develop transferable skills which you can take into any career or job. These might include careers in fields such as fashion, travel and tourism, law and marketing, or any career that involves meeting people face to face or presenting. Who is a good performing arts student? Well, you will enjoy this course if you want to study a subject that's both practical and creative. You've got to be someone that enjoys acting and dancing and design work. You need to be able to work with other people and communicate effectively. You can't be afraid to voice your opinion. And you need to be able to take risks and work hard.
Lights, camera, action. Well, hello there. My name is Daniela and I'm a Year 11 Performing Arts Gcse student. I chose Performing Arts because I've always loved dancing and singing. However, I wasn't a very strong actress. Over the course, my skills as an actress has massively improved thanks to my lovely class and teacher. Performing arts helps to improve your confidence, communication skills, and many other things. One of my favourite things in performing arts are the trips and workshops. But thanks to Uncle Corona, that can't happen anymore. Well, for now. To conclude, in my opinion, I think you guys should pick performing arts because it's just an amazing subject. Initially, I wasn't going to pick it for A levels, but now that I'm coming to the end of the course, I'm most definitely picking it because I'm just not ready to end my journey as a performing arts student. But remember, to be or not to be, that is the question, my friend.
GCSE drama. Now we've heard about performing arts, many of you asked me the difference between drama and performing arts. So now I'm going to explain the units of study for GCSE drama. Drama has 3 units of study, much like performing arts. There are 2 practical assessments, 1 written exam, and 1 written portfolio of evidence. The same as performing arts, you will be expected to perform in front of a variety of audiences, and assessments occur regularly throughout the 2 years, year 10 and 11, and tracks your development as an actor. There will be a commitment beyond the classroom required by all students at different points within the course. Unit 1, Devising Theatre. This unit requires you to create a performance inspired by a stimulus presented by the exam board. This could be song lyrics, a poem, or a painting. You will work together as a company to create a performance which conveys meaning and is influenced by a drama practitioner. You are assessed on your final performance to a live audience, as well as a portfolio of evidence that explains how your ideas have developed throughout the whole process, as well as an evaluation of your final performance. So there are 3 aspects of the assessment for this unit: the performance, a portfolio of evidence, and an evaluation of your final performance. It is 40% of your GCSE, and this unit is marked by your teachers, but moderated by Gcse. Unit 2, Performing from a Text. This unit is your chance to show off your skills as an actor and bring a character to life on stage in front of a live audience. You will study 1 play and perform an extract from the play lasting between 5 and 20 minutes. The plays we study at GCSE Drama are exciting and inspiring and require you to understand the plot, themes, and character motives to be able to create a believable performance. Within this unit, we will teach you techniques on how to develop your acting skills so that you are fully prepared and confident for your big final performance. This unit's assessment is a performance, and it is 20% of your GCSE, and this unit is marked by a visiting examiner from Gcse. Unit 3, the written exam. This unit is a written exam which requires you to be critical thinkers. You will study a play and must be able to answer questions regarding the plot, characters, acting ideas, and themes. The second part of the written exam is an evaluation of a piece of live professional theatre. You will attend the theatre and be able to critically analyse and evaluate how effective the acting was, the use of set design and costumes to create meaning, as well as be able to observe and comment on the audience's response to the live performance. This exam is 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is marked by Gcse and it is 40% of your GCSE. So what are the benefits of a drama GCSE? Well, now the course is exciting, creative and challenging. As well as acquiring the skills involved in creating pieces of drama, you will also acquire skills in performing, and you will be able to work with others, problem solve, and have good developed communication skills. For the future, the study of drama can help you develop transferable skills which you can take into any career or job. This might include careers in fields such as retail, travel and tourism, sales and marketing, or law, or any career that involves meeting people face to face. There are many opportunities and exciting courses at sixth form and colleges and universities around the country which will build and develop from a GCSE in drama. So, who is a good drama student? You'll enjoy this course if you like a subject that is both practical and creative. You must be open-minded. You must enjoy working with others and be able to communicate and collaborate well. Those that are not afraid of taking risks and working hard, and those who show us strengths in practical and creative work, but also have a big strength in acting. This is what one of our current Year 11 drama students said. Drama as a whole provides so much creative freedom. You get a section where you're writing, performing, producing, directing your own piece, and you get to base it on whatever you want, a political or personal topic, etc. And another section where you're performing a scripted piece, but again, you get to interpret it in any way you think best suits the script you're performing. Through all this, you strengthen your public speaking skills, your teamwork skills, and have independence. Although it may not be something you're not that comfortable in, Miss Gatford and Mrs. Needham go above and beyond to help you get comfortable on stage, yet go beyond your comfort zone to achieve what you really are capable of. Many students ask, what does performing arts or drama GCSE involve outside of lesson time, so beyond the classroom? Well, you will be expected to have time and commitment to rehearse with other students in your groups outside of lesson time. This might be at a lunchtime or after school, where we're in the build-up to an assessment or a performance. You will have at least one visit to the theatre outside of school time. You will attend practical theatre workshops run by acting professionals. This could be within school time as well as outside of school time. And commitment to performing arts or drama enrichment. That includes assembly performances and house drama competitions. Performing arts and drama GCSE does not just stop in the classroom. There are huge opportunities to work with professional actors on a professional stage. This is through Shakespeare Schools Festival, which Arc Academy participate in every year, and it is a project that is specifically for Year 10. Within this experience, you will perform on a professional theatre stage. You will work with real professionals such as lighting and sound technicians, stage managers and photographers. You will perform to a live audience of up to 400 people. You will have your own dressing rooms, and you will have your own professional actor giving you advice on the day of your performance. This is a fantastic opportunity to really get the real life theatre experience. Off-spec learning. GCSE Drama and Performing Arts at Arc Academy isn't just limited to preparation for exams. There are also lots of exciting opportunities outside of the classroom too. For example, trips to see live theatre, performances, projects or presentations to younger year groups, and that includes primary, directing or starring in house drama, opportunities to work with the Old Vic Theatre Company, and of course Shakespeare Schools Festival and the annual school musical. So why is performing arts or drama a complementary GCSE? First of all, it exemplifies you as an all-rounded pupil. The courses provide you with several opportunities to explore different cross-curricular topics and broaden your horizons. The qualification provides opportunities to grow skills such as public speaking and presentation, teamwork, critical analysis and evaluation, resilience, confidence, memory, retention and attention to detail, and to develop your creativity and innovation skills. What could I do with a qualification in performing arts or drama? You could become an actor, director, producer, or a stage manager, a sound or lighting designer or sound and lighting technician, a set or costume designer in TV or theatre, a theatre practitioner or a playwright, a film or theatre critic, a drama therapist, a screenwriter, a TV presenter or production assistant, a radio presenter, an arts administrator, or best of all, a drama or performing arts teacher. And the list does not stop there. So Year 9, thank you for watching, and please, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email either myself, Miss Gatford, or Mrs. Needham with any questions about either GCSE Performing Arts or Drama, and we look forward to accepting you and greeting you on these wonderful courses.